Before the early 2000s, granular activated carbon filters were the norm for chlorine and organics removal, but advanced water treatment techniques demanded better, more refined filtration. It was at that juncture manufacturers started making a strong, one-piece carbon block with an extended life. Carbon block filters are unsurpassed at removing chlorine, sediment, taste, odor, and organic contaminants. And due to its highly uniform molded structure, a carbon block filter eliminates the release of carbon fines, as well as channeling and bypass. Manufactured entirely from FDA-approved materials, a carbon block filter is suitable for residential, point-of-use water filtration, in addition to commercial and food service applications. U.S. water carbon block filters are manufactured from high-purity activated carbon and are designed to fit most standard household and commercial housings. If you Google carbon block filters, you will come up with over 35 million results. Most of these results are going to link you to a cheaper carbon block filter that are made overseas. What makes our carbon block filters different is that they are entirely manufactured in the USA. You will also find that our quality and even the weight is vastly superior. Our filters may cost a little bit more, but they last longer and filter better, thanks to good old American craftsmanship. Use US Water Systems carbon block filters and you will see and probably taste the difference. We have American-made carbon block filters for just about any brand and type of filter. And if you're not sure what you need, contact one of our certified water specialists. They will be happy to help you.